Mission: find the marshmallows. Let's go. Doesn't seem to be any marshmallows around here. Maybe down here. There's my colleague, Mom. She's helped me find them out too. Gotta sniff them out. Where are you? They're down here? They probably are.
There they are.
Marshmallows, marshmallows, marshmallows.
Which ones?
Mission complete.
Which ones?
This is Luke signing out.
These ones?